What do you do?
Hello. Hello. Today we'll be making food for my Hello Kitty and Joy. So let's start by making a sandwich. Of course we need bread for a sandwich. So let's take our bread and take out my toaster. Let's put the bread in here so that it can cook. And let's put it down and then grill the heat to maximum. This is hard. So while we wait, let's cook some eggs. Let's take out the bread first. And let's use our tweezers, because it's very hard. And let's also add sauce while the egg is still cooking. Let's use ketchup. This is blue ketchup. Just ketchup. Now since the egg is ready, let's get the egg. And let's also get the tweezers. And then, this is how it looks. Now let's add the other bread. And then, ta-da! There you have a sandwich. Now, let's choose it. Here, Hello Kitty, here's a sandwich. Nom nom nom. There, she ate it. Let's put it on a plate first to save it for later. So that later, we can show all the foods. Now, let's put it here on the side. Next, let's make some strawberry cake. For this, we're gonna need some strawberries. Let's find my strawberries. First, let's get a bowl so that we can have a bowl of strawberries. I found one. Let's find another one. I found another one. Let's find one more. Mommy, you're almost done. And then let's find another one. Ooh, I found another one. Let's put it in a bigger bowl so that we have more room for all the strawberries. Now we have strawberries. Let's put each of them in here. Let's cut them first. And then let's use my big one and then my knife. Let's cut the biggest one. But also, we only need 4 slices. But since we can only take 2 slices of each, we're only going to need 2 strawberries. 2 of these will be fine. And then we can take the smallest one back here. Now that it's ready, now let's put the strawberries in the dough. Now let's put the strawberries in the box. And then let's make our dough with my sink. let's get some water to do. I use this one instead. And then here I go. I have a cup of water. Let's put it into our mixer. Make sure it's even so that it doesn't leak. I think that's all. Okay, so now that we have it in, make sure that it doesn't get screwed. Let's mix it and mix it and mix it. It looks like clean water. Now, let's get our strawberries. Let's get the first one in. Let's soak the first one in the water. And then the next one. And then the next one. And then mixing it was fine. And then let's put it back in here. We were just giving the strawberry taste to the dough for a little. Now, let's mix it. It's mixing. While we wait, let's make some juice. Some strawberries and then mush, 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 mush. Now that the drink's ready, let's off it. And then let's see how it tastes. No, not yet. This is what the sauce is gonna be like. But to make cake, we're gonna need water, we're gonna add a little more water so that the amount is a good amount. So the reason why I'm using water is because my mom allowed me. So let's do this slow and steady. And I think that's enough. And then I think I have the great idea. Let's add something to my dough to make the cake. Some chocolate. Chocolate's nice. Really flavoring. Tasty. Delicious chocolate. This is an Oreo. I removed the other piece and the cream because we don't need it. them. Now, what's the better time than mixing the Oreos? Wait a minute. Now to add seasoning. Now I get it why lots of people love chocolate. Because strawberry cake is not on. Okay, so let's soak this up. Okay, so while that, so I'm gonna put some of the strawberries in the drink. I mean, in the cake. But for this thing, we're gonna mix this again. And then while we're doing that, we are gonna make something. So we are gonna make chicken. Excuse. If you can spot the chicken, here's one. And then another one. Let's find one. Let's find more. Let's dive deep in. I found another one. This is the last chicken. So let's go. And then, let's go cook it. Let's go. Go like this. And make something. Let's go use my tweezers to get some of the chicken. The fries. We're gonna make fried chicken.
Why you
This
put the
stuff.
wet thing?
The water. And then we're gonna add this. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. In case it doesn't, so that it doesn't fall, I'm gonna do this. This is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna add a fire. Pretend. Not a real one, but a pretend one. So let's start it. And
I want coffee.
we're gonna make coffee. And while we're doing that and dancing, we're gonna make my mom not real coffee. So let's go to the front. The very front. Because we're not gonna need any ingredients for this one. This one we're gonna need is just water. And now I'm gonna get the water. I'm just gonna get water.
Oh, let's face it? Not there. Look at the video.
Come on. And now I have water. So, let's make. Let's get a cup. Oh, actually, I do. Let's do this. Let's put the water in here. This is the perfect amount. And then, maybe we can put a little bit more. Now, let's get a cup. Here I have a cup, and this is what we're gonna use. Okay, so, and then we're gonna press this. So while we do that, so first we're gonna press this button. We're gonna move it, and then we press this one, and then it's working. See? There is almost empty. And then you see how that works. Done. Now that the drink's finished, let's try it again. Oopsies, forgot about that. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for today.